So this will be part 9 of our email verification in Spring Boot. And in this part, we are going to be setting up the properties of the email. So properties like the email address, the password, the SMTP host, the port, and this we are going to be setting up in the application the properties file here. I'm going to delete because I already set this up. Actually, I will leave them. So pay attention to the mailing part right here. So this is what we are going to be setting up. The Spring Mail host, the Spring Mail port, the username, the password, the mail properties, and the start TTLS enable. You have to add all these. Now the thing you need to now go to Google to get is these two items, the username and the password. If you have a Gmail account, then you can use your Gmail account, but the password here is not your Gmail password. I hope you don't put your password here because this is not your Gmail password, and you have to be careful with it because otherwise you get your email compromised. So how do you get the password? I'm going to show you. So if you go to your email address, if you go to your Google Mail, Gmail, and you want to go to accounts, you manage Google accounts, you want to go to security. In security, go to two-step verification. It's going to prompt you to sign in, so I'm going to sign in using fingerprint, and then it takes me to where I can look for apps and get the. Okay, so here I'm supposed to see app passwords. It's not showing up. Let's look at passkeys. We don't have any passkey. So it means that if you encounter a situation like this, it means you simply need to use another email address because the same advanced security or advanced email security is enabled, but I don't understand why. So if I go to my other email address, which I have here, so if I go to Gmail and I follow the same procedure, I'll go to manage Google accounts, go to security. It's going to add password created. You can see I was creating a few things. Go to two-step verification, and I'm going to continue. It's going to prompt me to sign in, and I'm going to use my fingerprint. Now we are going to see app passwords. If you scroll down the page, you can see app passwords, and you can simply create a new app and get the password. So let's call it email tutorial, and I'm going to say create. Once I do that, we have the app password. So this is the app password you are going to be using in your application, the properties file, and this is exactly what I have done. So I'm going to close Firefox. Let's go back to where we are. So this is what I have done here. So once you've done this, you've set up the application, the properties file for the mailing properties for your. We have the base URL, we have the token validity. Charlie have coded it in the Java file. Okay, so this is where we are going to stop for now. In the next part, we are now going to update user repository, the service and controller to be able to actually perform verification and send out the user email. So let's stop here and thank you for viewing, and we'll see you in the next part.